So the electric system, I've done a few modifications because it didn't really work for me the last time I went out on in my vehicle. So I've moved the MPPT, which used to be over here. I've moved to over there. As you can see, that's now connected to a new solar panel, which we'll get to just now. I've got my BM1 battery monitor over here, and you can see the battery's at 90%. The vehicle hasn't moved for quite a while. It's been pretty grey days, grey and horrible days, so it's not been very good. My inverter I've moved across, used to be lying down under here, which created quite difficult access to switch it on and off when I needed to. C-Tech battery, DC-DC charger, a D250 SA, works pretty well. Can't complain, I got them in both my vehicles, so they're very good. My new fitment here is the Vitron Energy MPPT control. That allows me to see exactly what my solar panel's doing, and it just allows me to see the voltage coming into my battery, and which is helpful on days when you aren't moving. You just know there's something going in. Running across to this side, I've got all my switches over there for lights, my fridge, air compressor, the tent light, oven socket and that. And then I have got, if I move those cables out of the way, I've got my little what is it? It is an Blue Ocean, I think it is, fuse box with all the electrics going in. Now the electrics are a bit messy at the moment. It is on a trial basis, making sure that everything works fine. Once I know that everything is working okay, all the electric cables that you see will then go in behind this panel, and they will all just... Up here I've got my CB radio charging units, got 4 of those there. They obviously plug into a little connector there. Yeah, toothbrush, electric toothbrush is a must. And on the other side I've got the just spare USB ports and stuff for charging headlamps and batteries for films, for cameras and that. Cables from the MPPT run up through the roof onto the alu-cab rooftop tent, up to the solar panel, 100-watt solar panel supplied by Midsummer Energy. The panel is a superb little panel, keeps my 214 amp hour battery fully charged 90% of the time. To make a few modifications and fit 2 new cargo rails onto the alu-cab rooftop tent to hold the panel in place.